Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix internet privacy and speed issue in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Open the setting app on your phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. Step 3. Now tap on Private DNS. Step 4. You will see three options. Turn off auto specified DNS. Step 5. Select specified DNS. Step 6. Here you can enter your own secure DNS server. Step 7. Type in dns.google. This is Google's secure DNS. That's it. Your internet speed will improve and your privacy will be more secure online. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay connected.